Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Homoeopathy World. I am Dr. Samina and in today's video we are going to discuss about how to select the best location for your clinical setup or for your medical practice. This video is specially made for homeopathic doctors. However, this is also helpful for other doctors who are looking for ideas to select the area or locality for their clinical setup. So first thing first, and the most important thing before starting any clinical setup is to decide and take the final decision about starting your own clinic. Now, when you pass out your internship and you are looking for the clinic to open, the most important thing is open your clinic with complete confidence. See, I'm not denying the fact that initial 1 to 2 years of your clinic will work normally, or you have to work very hard and put on an effort of yours to build your clinical practice. But once it's set, it is all yours, and you do not have to worry about whether it is going to work or not, because it is going to work. So once you have decided that you want to set up a clinic, the first and primary thing is to start by selecting area or locality where you want to practice. So for example, if I want to set up my clinic in Pune, I have to jot down areas which are comfortable for me for practice. So how do you select a particular area for your clinic? So how are you going to rule out some of the areas from the entire city, Pune? So how are you going to rule out these areas? The most important thing according to me is that this place should be near your home or near your house. Because initial 5 to 6 months, you will get maximum patients that are referred from the people who know you, like your friends, your family, your relatives, or your neighbors. And also for your own convenience, as you will be staying near your house in your clinic, so it is very easy for you to come and go, and the transportation will take less time. So you can save time. As you know, time is money. You should spend less time in transport. The next most important thing is that the environment outside your clinic should be satisfying or comfortable for your patients to reach to. So setting up your clinic in a very low standard area can get your patients disinterested in coming to your clinic, while setting up your clinic in too posh area or too hi-fi area like in malls or in marketplaces could keep your customers or potential patients away, thinking that your services are too expensive as you are situated in a mall or in a marketplace. The next thing that you should keep in mind is that your clinic should be easily reachable to the patients that come from rural area as well as from the urban area. So it is best that if you select the area which is nearby a bus stand or a railway station where there are ample amount of or adequate amount of transport facilities for all the people that can reach, even if they do not have their own vehicle to reach there. The next important thing that you can see is that your clinic should be situated in a residential area rather than a marketplace. So a residential area will help you build potential patients from the residents itself, from the population of that area itself. So when you're situated in a residential area which has ample amount of apartments, or there are large number of people staying in that residential area, you get that many number of patients as a target patient. So it is very easy for you to gain patients in the initial 1 to 2 years. So how do you select a residential area? Either you look for the population of that particular area. So if you're selecting Hadapsar, or if you're selecting Pune camp area, so you just go through the statistics of the population of that area and then look for area, or look for a clinic, or look for a shop which is situated near a school, temple, post office, or railway station or bus stand, somewhere where the public comes and goes. So there is a regular inflow of population to that area. So for example, if I'm talking about a school, So many people come and go, like they pick up their kids from the school or they drop their kids to school. So while coming and going, they'll notice your signboards, or they'll notice that there is a clinic in this place. So whenever they are in need of treatment in future, they'll remember that, okay, on this way I've seen this clinic, so we can go there. So this is how you target your customers. So if you are near a school, near a temple or post office or railway station, you have more visibility to the people around you. So that can make you more visible, and that can make you more popular in that area. Always look for clinic places which are on the road rather than somewhere inside or somewhere in the inside lanes. So there is always a place which is on the main road, and then there is a place which is in the lane inside the main road. So even if it is expensive, a little bit expensive on the road, you should always go for a clinic which is situated on the main road or in a chowk or some place where it is more visible, because visibility is the key for initial years of your practice. The more visible you are to the patients, the more important it is for you to run your practice. Always select a place for your clinic which is on ground floor, or if you're not getting a place which is on ground floor, it would rather be on first floor than on second or third floors. Even if the place has lift, it is very important that you are on the ground floor or maximum first floor of that complex, because it will increase the walk-ins of your patients. See, if you do not get an appropriate place on ground floor, you rather settle for first floor. That is what I'm saying. And you have to make sure, if you're on the first floor, you have to make sure that the complex has elevators to ensure that the patients, especially old age patient or orthopedic patients or patient with any kind of disabilities, do not have issues while accessing your clinic. That is very important. Also, you have to check that there are enough water facilities and light facilities, and also if possible there should be a washroom facility in your clinic. Also make sure while signing your contract for the rent agreement that this particular place is given to you for at least 5 to 10 years. Even if it is on contract agreement or if it is on lease, it should be at least available for you at least for 5 to 10 years, so that once you set up a good practice or once you are popular in that area, you need not shift the practice or you need not have difficulty in locating again or relocating your clinic, because once you set up a good practice and become popular in that area, it is very difficult to relocate. Also, you have to check out if there is any waterlogging in rainy season or in monsoon season. You should now not have any, if you are on the ground floor especially, you should not have any drainage issues or waterlogging issues. Okay, so that was all about the exterior of your clinic. And also make sure if you are on the ground floor or first floor, you have to make sure that there is enough parking in front of your clinic, so that normally when patients come to you, if they have a two-wheeler or four-wheeler, there is enough parking space in front of your clinic. Once you have seen all this and you have got the clinic on rent, make sure that the board or signboard or digital board or any kind of signboard that you put for your clinic is available and visible to the passerbys. So if you are on the ground floor, make sure that it is big enough, it is bright enough, it is seen from far. And if you are on the first floor, make sure it is big enough to be read from the ground floor and it is visible to all the people who pass from that road. Also check out if there are any other doctors in the nearby location. You should always look around for competition or any other popular doctors and what pathy they practice. So sometimes having too many doctors or clinics with similar specialization, especially in the same area, can hamper your practice. As well as having too many doctors with different pathy or having too many clinics which practice different field of medicine will also enhance your practice. On the other hand, having multi-speciality hospitals nearby can help you get the patients who are wanting to get an opinion of a homeopath. So having multi-specialty hospitals nearby can help you. So this is a good point. So it is good. So it will enhance your practice. So that should be there. You should look for multi-specialty hospitals near your clinic. Okay, so that was all about the exterior of your clinic or the outside of your clinic, how you should select the area of your clinic and the location and what you should look for. Now let us talk about the interior of your clinic. So make sure that the interior of your clinic should make an impression on your patients. There should be adequate amount of seating arrangement, there should be proper ventilation, and there should be entertainment for your patients who are in the waiting room and waiting for their appointment. So there should be entertainment, like there can be magazines or there can be even TV. And in case of pediatric clinics, or if you are into too much pediatric practice, you should make sure that you have a small area which is dedicated only to the pediatric patients, like there are some toys in that place or some puzzles or something like that, or some, even you can put out some sketchbooks and some crayons for kids to draw by the time they are waiting for the appointment. Some informative charts are important, and also general healthcare advices are also important, as this keeps the patient busy when they are waiting. So I hope I've covered all the topics in today's video about selecting the best location for your clinical setup. So if you have any doubts regarding this particular topic, please let me know in the comment section below. And as always, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification in our latest updates. Also, let me know if you have any ideas for videos, or if you want to know any information through videos, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to make a video on that particular topic also. Thank you so much. Have a great day.